Hi and welcome to QRLife. Here's a walkthrough on how to set up your first QR code. First thing you're going to need to do is put in your email address, or at the bottom here you could pick to use your Apple ID or your Google email account if you already have one. Here we'll just put something in the email address. Password we'll put in whatever we need to, and for affiliate code I'm actually going to put in I know Mr. Chris because that's going to get you your first QR code for free. Alright, once you log in, it's going to bring you here to your home page. Now your home page has your first QR code, which we generated for you, which is a QRLife.me QR code. If you click on it, it's going to take you out to the landing page. So this is what your landing page is going to look like once you get it set up. Let's show you how to get that set up. Now we go in here to QR codes. We can see we have one. We hit the plus. Now we can add another one. We're going to call this one Chris. It's for me. We can choose our style, where we can pick one of the icons that we've already pre-made for you, or we can pick your style. You can go out and you can actually choose a photo. Now when I go in here to choose a photo, I can go to collections, favorites, and then right here we'll go ahead and pick this one. That one looks great. Now here we have three different profile types. We have private, public, and password. Private is the default one, and what that does is it makes it so people can't just find your information on the internet. Now if you're a public person, you want to be found on the internet, you can pick public, and then you can create a vanity here. So if no one has Chris, it's going to check and let me know if I can use that. And then it's going to say QRLife.me/Chris is another way to get to my QR code results or my landing page. And last but not least is password. So even if your link or your QR code got out there in the wild, they would still have to know a password to retrieve any of your contact information. Now private's good enough for me. I'm going to stay with that setting. Here we go ahead and put our phone number in. And I'll go ahead and add my email address. And let's go ahead and add in the website. Now we've added all those things. We can scroll down here. We could add our social networks, or we could add payment options. But instead what we're going to do is just go ahead and submit this. Now I will make videos showing how to get your links for each one of those and set those up. Now here we can see that it says profile information has been saved. And that's going to bring us out. And now we can see we've got two QR codes. Now this particular one up here doesn't have any scans yet. Let's go over to home. We'll hit Chris. And now we'll click on this and we can see what the landing page looks like. Now by doing that, we have now scanned the QR code effectively. And now we can see what anyone who scans this QR code on a device, a tablet, a computer, whatever can read QR codes is going to get presented with. So right now we just have my phone number, my email, and my website. We could put in a lot more information here if we wanted to. Now if we go back over to the QR codes page, we can see here when we refresh this, we now have a scan. So now we can see our first QR code's up working and we've gotten our first scan. Hopefully this is enough to get you started. Like, subscribe, hit the notification button. If you want to get tips and tricks and even more information on how to take advantage of QRLife.me. Thanks for your time.